Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and do all that good stuff. So guys, today we are going to be making a very delicious oha soup. To make this oha soup, you'll be needing your oha leaf. This is oha leaf. Your oziza leaf. This is oziza leaf. This is how it comes. This is the oziza leaf. My beef, my stockfish, my pepper, my ogiri. This is ogiri. I'll be using these two ogiri. My coco yam, and I have my stock cube. It's not here, but I'll introduce it later. So guys, let me go ahead, prepare this, and then we'll start making our meal. And please, if you have not subscribed, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Alright guys, let's get started. So guys, I'm through with the preparation now, and this is my oziza. I've already washed and sliced it. This is my oha. This is my oha leaf, my crayfish, my cocoyam blended. I use my blender to blend it, and this is my pepper. So guys, let's start cooking. Our meat has been boiling. Time to add in the rest ingredients. I'll go in with my cocoyam now. This is my cocoyam. So I'll add in my palm oil now. And my ogiri. I'll allow it to cook. Cover, and then we'll come back. So guys, I'll go in with I'll add in my crayfish, the rest of my crayfish now. I've added before. I'll add in my oziza leaf now. I'm going in with my oziza before my oha. So some people add their oha before their oziza, but prefer adding in my hot leaf before that's oziza before my oha. So you can choose to add anyone first before anyone. It's fine. Then I'll add in my oha. I will stir, allow it to boil for like 2 minutes, then I'll bring it down and our soup is ready. Please guys, if you're watching me up to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Subscribe to my channel, like my video, comment on my video, okay? If you notice that your soup is thick, you can add in water, but I like my own like this. It's okay like this. Cover it now and let it cook for 2 minutes, then we'll bring it down. So guys, it's 2 minutes later and our soup is ready, as you can see, guys. Thank you so much guys for watching, and please, if you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Like, see you guys next time. Bye.